Are too many spreadsheets ruining your day? Data from all over the organisation that must be stitched together to make it useful, and manually updated reports to understand it? It's a problem that's familiar to many businesses, and we solve it like this. We first take the time to understand the existing architecture and sources. In many businesses, there are no real databases to consolidate the data, and Excel reigns supreme. But where they do exist, we will understand their breadth and coverage to decide if it is lower cost to redesign or repurpose them, or whether a new solution is needed. Using this information, we will design a target architecture. Typically, this will involve developing a data warehouse to consolidate and standardize data from different sources. This is especially important if the organization contains multiple systems. For example, where businesses have merged and retained some of their systems, processes, or data. A properly designed data warehouse will ensure that the answers that come out are correct, because the only thing worse than no information is wrong information. Not only does this warehouse act as a hub for all reporting, if you've never had one before, it will also provide new capabilities to analyse the data and get better, faster insights. Business people do not want to have to use SQL queries to get the data they need. But many tools are available to provide interactive reports from the warehouse automatically. Dashboards are a great starting point for businesses that have previously lived on Excel and can provide a lot of familiarity to get started, so we always begin with those. It's essential to think about the story the dashboard will tell and not just hammer together some random charts because they look pretty. To do that, we will take the time to understand what each type of user is trying to do, in business terms, and talk to them about the sort of information they will need to do it optimally. Next, we mock up a dashboard and take them through that journey, which we then tweak until it gives them exactly the information they need, not just the raw data. The end result? An automated data infrastructure which puts reliable information into the hands of the business.